Hello, back again. This time I'm going to show you how to set up a DLNA server on your Raspberry Pi, which is running TVheadend, so you can access your recordings on a Roku. First thing I'm going to do is start PuTTY, so I'm going to log into the Raspberry Pi. You can use the IP address or the host name. I'm going to be using the host name. Click open. I'll just move it to the center. Username Pi, and then enter your password. I'll just open up my little cheat sheet. Right, first thing I'm going to do is install the server, the DLNA. Just copy the text, right click to paste, and then enter. I'll do this in real time because it only takes a few seconds to do. Click Y for yes, then enter on your keyboard. And that's the first part done. Right, that's all done. Now we're going to edit the config file. The thing I want to do first though is dot down the record path for my TVhead recordings. So via my browser, I'm just going to go into my TVheadend setup, go into configuration, and then recording, and then just scroll down and you'll see recording system path, and you just want to copy this, copy it. Now I'm just going to close down. Now I'm going to paste it after a media directory. We're going to use this in a minute. Right, just copy this bit of text so you can edit the config file. Copy, right click to paste and enter. Right, so this is the config file. We're looking for this section, APV, audio, pictures and video. So just scroll down. It's right near the top. So we've got APV and PV for pictures and video. Thing I'm going to do is enter a new line underneath where it says minidlna. So I'm going to copy this bit of text. Just use my arrow keys to scroll down. Just below that one, right click to paste. Then I'm going to click enter just to make a space below so it's a bit neater. So that's done. And that's a recording path for TVheadend. Right, now we're going to give it a friendly name. So when you say go into a Roku, it'll give you the name of the server. So just scroll down again using your arrow keys. And there it is, friendly name. You can call it any name you want to, entirely up to you. So just use your arrow keys to scroll to the right. I'm going to call mine TVheadend. And that's done. All you want to do now is scroll to the left, put the cursor on the F, and then backspace to remove the hash key. And then that line will come active. Remember to move the hash at the end. Right, that's done. Now just Control X on your keyboard, then Y for yes, and then enter. And that's all done. All we're going to do now is restart the server. Just copy that line of text, right click to paste, and then click enter on your keyboard. Only takes a few seconds to do, and that's been restarted. So that's everything done on the Raspberry Pi. So the thing I'll do now, I'll swap over to my Roku. I'll just close that down and OK, and I'll close that down. I don't need to save. Right, this is my Roku. The thing you need to do, install Roku Media Player. So I'll just start up the media player. I'll go into video. There's my Plex server and there's my TVheadend media server. So I'll just click that. I'll go into video, all video, and there's my TVheadend recorders. I've got a load of tanks and wheeler dealers and an American chopper. I'll just go into tanked. I'll just fast forward a little bit. Thing it will do, if you've played part of a show, it will remember your position when you come back to it, which is handy. Just fast forward, watching a bit of wheeler dealers. See what car he's bought this week. What's that, a TVR? So that's everything set up now and working. So as always, I hope this video's helped, and goodbye.